welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this unboxing is from FGOBY. I don't know if you pronounce it that way or just call it FGOBY, but it's FGOBY. So they did contact me and asked if I wanted to review some of their items. So thank you to FGOBY for sending me these items for the review. Okay, so I got 3 items. Yes, this looks like a wreath. So let's do this first one. It's a diamond painting pen. Let's see. Oh, I still have like garbage from my last video. Okay, so this pen here, I got the white one. So it's, you know, the basic, I don't know, acrylic, is it acrylic plastic pen? It comes with the, I don't know what placer, the 5-placer, the 9-placer, a 3-placer, and a straightener tool. So yeah, so this pen is $3.99 in US dollars. So yeah, FGOBY looks like their prices are in US dollars. But yeah, you know, you can never have enough pens, right? Although I don't have that big of a pen collection. So yeah, I think it seems fine. I don't really see anything wrong with it. I just wanted something different, a different color, because I don't have a white one yet. Okay, next item. Okay, next item, we'll do the wreath. Okay, wreath. Okay. I've gotten a couple wreaths already. They're really fun to do, and I figured this one was going to be a fall wreath for me with the sunflower. Well, I consider sunflowers fall. Okay, so it comes in a box, and then it comes in a bubble with some foam pieces here. So the wreaths have really come a long way from when I first ordered wreaths. So I'm thinking they're making it more possible not to break during the shipping. So ordinary toolkit. So these are, looks like it's rhinestone drills. So, ooh, I think you could reuse this with like it's not sealed, so you could go reuse it. Okay, so yeah, here it is. It is this bee with sunflowers all around it. This is $13.99 on their site. So this is a different material than I have previously gotten in wreaths. It's really, do you see how thick this is? I don't know what it's made of, but it didn't break, so that is the first battle when getting anything that is not on canvas. So yeah, it's very sturdy. It does look like, oh, the drill field looks clear. It looks like all the symbols are just numbers. I see the largest number is 12, so that's what I'm guessing how many colors there are. So let's look at the drills here. Okay, if I can open it. So yeah, I figured this would be perfect for me to put up during the fall or summer, right? There's a bee. Okay, so is there 12 colors? No, there's not 12 colors. There's just up to number 12. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's 10 colors. Okay, so these look like just ordinary rhinestones. Yeah, those are both ordinary rhinestones of the normal rhinestone size. Ooh, look, these are white ABs. And if you're new to diamond painting, AB stands for Aurora Borealis, and it just has like this extra coating on there that it kind of gives it a more luminescent look. So more rhinestones, right? And then, oop, these look like marquee shapes. And oh my gosh, this is the hardest drill to ever diamond paint. It's these tiny teardrops. So if you've ever done any special shapes and you encounter these tiny teardrops, these are like I'm just telling you, these are very difficult to diamond paint with just because there's only one orientation, and then you usually have to like point them in a certain direction on the canvas. But you know, they do look really nice. It's just more like, I'm like, it's these ones. But yeah, I think this will turn out great. And stick around to the end of the video because I will finish this and stick it to the end of the video. Okay, let me put this away so that it doesn't escape. Okay, so one last one. Okay. So they're in 2 bubble envelopes, and so it's a slightly upgraded toolkit that has the white boat, 2 plates of wax, a 4-placer, I think that's a 10-placer, and some tweezers and a grip. Oh wait, did I tell you how much the wreath was? It was $13.99. Okay, so yeah, so this one is, since I have it up, it's $11.99, and this is going to be a square diamond painting. Oh wait. See, I always forget to do things. I didn't measure the B. Let's see. Because I saw my measuring tape, and I was like, wait, I didn't measure it. Okay. I don't know where the bottom is. Okay, so the B is about 32 centimeters by, like, I'm trying to find the farthest, yeah, it's about 32 by 32 centimeters. So that's actually a pretty good size. So let's go back to this one. So it is these square drills. I am not going to show you all of them because it's really hard to show the drills for the ones in the baggies, but I've done many diamond paintings from the company that has this symbolist, and I don't anticipate having any problems. Okay, so the one thing is, usually diamond paintings from this kind of company has the canvas rolled up in a roll. So this one did not come that way, which is a little different, but as long as the canvas lays flat and this is poured glue, then it should be fine. So here is this image here. It's these birds on a branch. I don't know if you can see it. Man, I'm looking at this and I'm like, this is going to be difficult. There is so much confetti on this. Okay, so I'm just peeling up the paper in hopes, the plastic in hopes of it laying down flat. Okay. Because, like I said, I'm used to the canvas manufactured by the company that does this to come in the roll, so the fact that this isn't on a roll, it's a little different. Okay. So yeah, there are a couple folds on the canvas, so I'm probably going to not do this one right away and just put it with all my other diamond paintings, and then my other diamond paintings will just weigh this one down because I have a lot of diamond paintings. Okay. I think that's as flat as it's gonna go. So yeah, it's these birds hanging out on a branch. There's some like glue stuck here. I don't know. I just noticed that it was sticky when I was touching it. These birds on a branch, hanging out on a branch. I thought this would be great, another great fall picture. to do this. I'm just saying, it looks difficult. So let's look at the drill field here. Oops, that's upside down. It's supposed to go this way. Well, the legend is this way, which I don't mind. I don't need the legend to be this way. I actually prefer it that it's this way because when I diamond paint something that's in portrait, I usually still diamond paint it in landscape mode just because it's easier to reach the... Like if you have it this way, there's like so much farther to reach in. While you have it this way, it's easier to reach when you're diamond painting. I don't know. That's me. So yeah, let's look at the drill field here. I think it looks pretty much, it looks pretty clear. Okay, so those, I don't know if you can see right here, the N. Is it gonna focus? Is it focused? Yeah, it's focused. The N and the M might be a tiny bit hard to read. And let's see, this has 35 colors and there are DMCs and it's a lot of symbols. But yeah, I don't really anticipate having problems with this one. I'm just kind of disappointed by the folds on the canvas, especially since I'm used to getting the canvases with this legend here in a roll. So, so yeah, I will inventory the drills off camera to make sure I have everything. And plus, usually when I inventory, I will put them in order when I put them back in, so that when I kit up, it'll be much easier. So yeah, here is this one. I don't know if oh wait, I forgot to measure it. So it's supposed to be a 40 by 50 and it is 39 by 48. So it's closer to a 40 by 50 than a lot of things that you could get from these budget diamond painting sites. But yeah, so here is the last picture. Here is the sunflower and bee wreath, and stick around to the end. I will finish the wreath and add it to the end. All right, see you later. Okay, here is the wreath done. What is the bottom? Is it supposed to be like that? Is it supposed to be like this? I don't know. But I guess you could decide. But yeah, here it is. I think it's beautiful. You know what? I forgot to get the drills. I'll be right back. Okay, and here are the drills. I had plenty left. I mean, I don't have that much left of the specials. Well, at least that one, mainly probably because I only needed like, what, 4 of them. And so then now I have double the amount that I needed. But yeah, otherwise there's plenty left. Okay, so the wreath was about a 32 centimeter diameter. There were 9 colors, one being an AB round drill, 6 rhinestones, and 2 special shapes. This took me 1 day to complete, and the only comment I had is that you could see the white under the drills. Okay, so I'm hoping I'll be able to show it like you see under this brown, like you could see there's white under there. And that's mainly because the way it was, the symbols were printed, had like, it was, you know, the symbols like in a lighter color with the symbol in it, and it makes it very easy to read, but it does make it pretty hard sometimes to cover. So, and I've noticed like poured glue sometimes is a little bit like it's springy, so like even though you try to push it to place, it'll just like spring back. So so yeah, you can't, like here, I think you could see the white under the drills a lot more there. And well, it does like you could see it when you're looking at it close, but you know, you can't see it on camera unless I put it really close. So yeah, that's my main thing. That was my only real complaint. But otherwise, I think it looks beautiful. I liked how everything was a special shape. Even the white were ABs. But yeah, here is the finish of the bee wreath. My only thing is I hope that more of these wreaths will come with some sort of hanging apparatus, but I could just command strip this thing or something. And I do still have to seal it because it is sticky in the sections in the edges here. So yeah, that's all I have. And so thank you to FGOBY or FGOBY. I don't know if that's the right way to pronounce it, but FGOBY for sending me this item and the other items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!